Amazon just made an announcement that almost nobody is talking about. They are replacing entire workforces. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, right now. Lawyers, accountants, drivers, warehouse workers, gone. And the number they're internally projecting? 50 million jobs by 2027. So before you go to work tomorrow, you need to watch this. Welcome back. My name is Business Ben, and on this channel, we cover the business trends that are reshaping your future. Today, we're breaking down the Amazon automation story. What's actually happening, and most importantly, what you can do right now to protect yourself.
Let's get into it. Most people think automation is something that happens slowly. Amazon is proving that wrong. In a single facility in Shreveport, Louisiana, Amazon deployed over 1,000 robots and cut their human workforce by 25% in just 1 year. They're not stopping there. Amazon plans to copy that exact model across 40 facilities by the end of 2027. But here's what shocked everyone. Just as news broke about the warehouse robots, Amazon did something nobody expected. They laid off 14,000 white-collar managers. Not the factory workers everyone was worried about, the managers running them. Amazon called it removing organizational layers. But analysts at Gartner say by 2026, 1 in 5 companies will use AI to eliminate at least half of their management structure. Think about that.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is an Amazon problem. My industry is different. It's not. UPS announced it would lay off 20,000 workers in the first half of 2025 alone. Ford's CEO stated publicly that AI will replace literally half of all white-collar workers. And Goldman Sachs projects 300 million full-time jobs globally are exposed to automation. 300 million. And the speed is accelerating. US employers announced 946,000 job cuts so far in 2025, the highest total since 2020. Over 17,000 of those were directly attributed to artificial intelligence. And it's not just the jobs you expect. Bloomberg research shows AI can already replace 53% of what market research analysts do, 67% of what sales reps do. And Anthropic's own CEO, Dario Amodei, warned that AI could eliminate half of all entry-level white-collar jobs within 5 years. Entry-level. The jobs that young people are counting on to start their careers. In fact, big tech companies already reduced hiring of new graduates by 25% in 2024 compared to the year before. These aren't slowdowns. These are positions that no longer exist. So let's talk specifics, because not all jobs are equal here. The World Economic Forum's 2025 report found that 41% of employers worldwide plan to reduce their workforce in the next 5 years because of AI. The most vulnerable jobs right now are administration. 26% of those jobs are at risk. Think scheduling, data entry, clerical work. AI does it faster and cheaper. Customer service, 20% at risk. When did you last speak to an actual human when calling support? Exactly. Sales and marketing. AI can now write copy, analyze campaigns, and handle client outreach. 67% of sales tasks are already automatable. And the one nobody saw coming, middle management. The people whose entire job was to organize, report, and coordinate between teams. AI does that in seconds. But there's something even more alarming hiding in this data. 79% of employed women in the US work in jobs that are at high risk of automation, compared to 58% of men. That means this crisis will hit women significantly harder, and almost nobody is talking about it. Here's why this is moving so fast. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta spent a combined $448 billion on AI infrastructure in 2025 alone. That's nearly triple what they spent in 2022. When companies spend that kind of money, they need a return. And the fastest return is cutting labor costs. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy has openly bragged about how robots are improving cost efficiencies. That's corporate language for, we need fewer humans and we're spending billions to make that happen faster. And the economics are brutal. A robot doesn't call in sick. It doesn't need health insurance. It doesn't ask for a raise. Once you buy it, it works 24 hours a day. So what do you actually do with this information? Because this video isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up. Here are 3 things you can do starting today. Number 1, stop relying on one income source. The single most dangerous financial position you can be in right now is depending 100% on one employer. That employer is making decisions about AI right now that you have no visibility into. Start building a second income stream. Freelancing, digital products, content creation. Anything that you own and control. Number 2, learn to work with AI, not against it. The people who lose their jobs won't be replaced by AI. They'll be replaced by people who know how to use AI. Spend 30 minutes a day learning the tools in your industry. This is the new literacy. Number 3, move up the value chain. The jobs least affected by automation require human judgment, creativity, and relationships. If your job is mostly repetitive tasks, start developing skills that AI can't replicate. The World Economic Forum projects that while 92 million jobs will be displaced by 2030, 170 million new ones will be created. The opportunity is real, but only for people who prepare. If you want to stay ahead, make sure you're subscribed, because we cover the business stories that nobody else is telling you. I'll see you in the next one.